We are here in Cairo today with a very good friend of mine, my brother, Ahsan Murad Sahab, and everybody knows Ahsan Murad all over the world. His son Zuhair came all the way from Amsterdam to help us out today. It just happened so that we were talking one day, and all of a sudden the idea of adopting the orphans and the needy from Palestine came into my mind, and alhamdulillah, the first one to say labbaik to it was Ahsan Murad, as always. And undoubtedly, all of this was instigated by his son Zuhair, who met with me for maybe like half an hour or so back in Pakistan in December. And as a result of that, everything materialized, and today we are standing in the warehouse, the biggest warehouse which I understand, which is working for the people of Gaza.